Hey, this is RMUS. We're at the MSPO show in Kielce, Poland. And I'm here with our chief engineer, Kuba. And right now we have the ARMUS hovering in the cage. It's been hovering how long? 15 minutes?
Yeah.
So what we're demonstrating here, obviously we have this tethered, that's not really the way the drone flies, but we're showing the positioning on this. So we're in a GPS denied environment, indoors, and the drone is just sitting there hovering. So Kuba, tell us a little bit about how it's hovering.
Okay, so basically we have a camera facing down and rangefinder on the bottom, so we can determine if the ground is moving or not. And thanks to this fact, he can stay in place even if we are moving him a little.
Okay, so I'm going to do this trick. See how the drone's opposing me here, and see how it's going back to position. And I can also push on it a little bit, and it's holding its position here.
Yeah.
So that's part of what we've been working on here with Kuba's team in Krakow to make the ARMUS. And there's a lot of autonomy that's involved in this drone, both running object detection models and also on the positioning of the drone.